Herald's business desk. Today I'm here standing in front of McDonald's Korea Anguk store to try out its burgers because apparently its burgers have become much better than before. For those of you who have tried the McDonald's burger in the past couple of months, I want to ask you, were you able to find the differences? Because you see, McDonald's Korea recently implemented a burger initiative called Best Burger and changed its overall preparation process, including the cooking routine, the equipment, and also the way they store the ingredients. So we have decided to come and check it out for ourselves and also share the review with you guys. So follow me. McDonald's Best Burger is a global initiative, but it is pretty special because there are only 4 countries that have introduced this initiative out of about 100 countries where McDonald's operates its business in. South Korea was the first in Asia and the 4th in the world after Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. McDonald's Korea said it has prepared for 2 years to introduce the new initiative, to change the facilities and train its crews in the about 400 stores across the country.
빵이 조금 더 고소해진 것 같고 소스가 더 많아졌고 그러니까 치즈 맛이 좀 더 많이 나는 것 같아요.
Actually, Korean customers has a very sophisticated palate. They quickly notice the taste and the changes brought by many menus, and considering that characteristic of the Korean customers and also the fact that we have been loved by the Korean customers for more than 32 years. We wanted to show our appreciation for them. We have received a lot of great feedbacks from the customers since day one. And some were saying that McDonald's came back. So we are very grateful for these positive feedbacks, and we will continue to provide tastier burgers continuously.
We are going to now try the 3 burgers that have been changed under the Best Burger initiative. And here I have one of our reporters with me today.
What's up, everyone? My name is Kanhong, and today I'm in charge of tasting these burgers and giving you honest opinions on them.
Right. So did you hear about Best Burger initiative before?
No, but I think they look better, and Best Burger initiative sounds like they're trying to make best burgers.
Right. So now we have triple cheeseburger here. It's the
Quarter pounder.
Right, with cheese and Big Mac.
So I'm just gonna
Hold it
jump
up.
right in.
Right. Oh, you're gonna have it.
I don't know. I think they do this here.
You're like a pro YouTuber. Right. And so the 3 layers, a lot of lettuce. You can see.
A lot of lettuce.
Is it good?
I feel like the buns are more moist, and overall the burger itself is more chewy.
Right. Yeah, I did hear that they've got the glaze coating bun now. I'll try another one.
Okay.
I actually like cheeseburger,
Okay.
but it is my first time trying the triple cheeseburger, and it's got like
It's a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
A lot of
Triple
cheese and a lot of patties.
Yeah. Yeah. 3 layers of cheese and 3 layers of the patty, and
Yeah.
also the sauce. Oh, they've got a lot of sauce.
Yeah.
Triple cheese.
Really? That's the bite?
I'll try one more.
Yeah? What do you think?
I think it's much softer than what I expected, what I, have experienced before. So it's pretty good. It's actually very meaty because they've got 3 layers of the patty. I like it. It's
Yeah?
my first time having the 3-layered burger, but really it's pretty nice.
So, the last but not least, quarter pounder with cheese. This is my second favorite after Big Mac. So,
Okay, well,
pick your poison.
this is right. Okay. Also, a lot of sauce. It's
Yeah.
ketchup, is it?
Ketchup and I don't know, mustard.
I don't know. This is not just the chopped one, but this is like really the bigger chunks. Sorry. More oniony. It tastes pretty good.
I like how the patty is thicker than the other ones.
Oh, I realized that too.
So it's really beefy.
Apparently the cheese, I hear that they have a tempering procedure done to this cheese so it's softer. They usually had it refrigerated in the fridge before they put it on the burgers. But now they put it on the room temperature of around 16 to 19 degrees Celsius. And so it's softer, it's a little bit gooier. And so you can taste the cheese better. That's what I heard. So if you liked our best burger review today, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also share your experience with the burgers, the McDonald's best burger, on our comment below. Thank you. Until next time.
Bye.